So guys, and welcome to today's video. Welcome back to the channel as well. Give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Today, this is the video. We're going over everything that is done to this car and why I purchased this car. I'm actually here to give it its first bath. I figured this was a good spot for it. So this place is pretty empty, usually all the time. Should basically be abandoned at this point, but I don't know why it's not, so can't guarantee how well the car wash is going to come out. But for starters, this is a 1994 Accord. I believe it's a EX edition. That's the trim. It has an H22. Previous owner had the Brian Crower cams, not exactly sure which ones, installed. He had the AEM Cam gears installed. There you guys can see those. I'm not sure of the header brand that's on it. It's got a Mishimoto rad. I believe this is the AEM whale dick intake. It's all carbon. Looks good. Looks like this oil catch can is here as well. The car has a 255 Walboro fuel pump, I believe. I'm gonna double check. He sent me with a whole list. Haven't really had much time to go over it, but I will get to that list here in a second. It has an Apexi muffler. I'm not sure of the rest. I believe it has a resonator. I don't think it has a cat, but we don't need that where we're going anyways. It's got the dual fans on the Mishimoto rad. So this thing usually stays pretty cool. It has been painted white, and I think at some point I'm gonna want to change the color and we might wrap it. So until then, it's gonna stay white. I want to swap these out possibly for clears, or maybe go yellow. Definitely clears down here. Let me know if you guys like this wheel and tire setup. I'm not sure if I'm a super big fan of the stickers on the tires, but drop down below in the comments what you guys think. Let me know. Let me know what you guys want to see. Also guys, this car is tuned on Honda V3. He had it dynoed at, I can't remember where he had it dynoed. It says here on the paper, but it was dynoed at 199 to the wheel. And let me check those dyno papers. There's a lot of them. So right here are the dyno sheets. Yep. So right here are the dyno sheets. You can see it made 199.15, max torque 153.82. So as light as this car is, it's really not too bad. Not too bad at all. But he also had a carbon fiber hood installed. It just needs resanded and re-cleared. So I'm gonna stop by a body shop that's a family friend's here in a couple weeks to see what they would quote me at getting that done. And oh, this is the best part. Well, I wouldn't say the best part, but it's definitely my favorite part. Let me find my keys here. It has the S2K cluster, which I'm sure a majority of you guys have saw in the other videos, if you watched them. But yeah, that's definitely one of the coolest parts. An Act 6-puck clutch. So I'm telling you, this thing is tough just putting around town in, because there's no power steering. The clutch is a little bit heavy, and it's just not a happy car. when you're trying to putt around. And let's see, back here we have the Golden Eagle intake manifold. Need to get that thing polished up. Looks like we have a Megan Racing strut tower bar here to help stabilize everything. It's on XXR wheels, drilled and slotted rotors. Actually, the front ones didn't look drilled and slotted. These rear ones definitely are. I'm gonna try to give this thing a bath and see how she looks afterwards. Enjoy this time lapse, guys. Also guys, so like I said, the reason I bought this car is because, I mean, personally, I'm not a fan of buying somebody else's car that's already done. But like I said, with the deal that I got, I couldn't pass it up. It's $28.50 is what I paid for everything. And you know, if I wanted to part this thing out, I could part it out for double what I paid for it. But I mean, just in the meantime, it's going to be something fun to make videos with and, you know, kind of make changes to, you know, kind of do my own thing with it. So I'm super excited about this car and I'm ready to, you know, change it up, fix everything that needs fixed, make it look, bring her back to its prime. Also guys, I plan on lowering this thing even more because it is on Raceland coilovers. I forgot to mention. Not sure if we can see them in there. Yep, there they are. So it's on Raceland coilovers. I plan on lowering it more because personally I don't like this much wheel gap. And after I lower it more, it's going to be even harder to drive, so can't wait for that. So alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, do me a big favor, like it, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you guys in the next video.